very this exam which has been announced by the NTA. NTA is going to conduct this examination. The examination NTA is, how many know what is NTA? National Testing Agency. And this is the only body which conducts the JEE Main and the NEET examination. So ये एग्जाम करा रही है जिसका नाम है यशस्वी एग्जाम. यशस्वी stands for the Young Scholarship, Young Achiever Award, Young Achiever Award Scholarship for the Vibrant India. That's a full form of the Yashasvi. And this examination is open for the 9th and 11th class students. So all those students who are 9th class, they are eligible for this examination. This examination is conducted by the Ministry of Social Justice. Now what is this examination format? पहली बात तो इस एग्जाम की कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस नहीं, दिस इज अ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एग्जामिनेशन. सो एग्जामिनेशन डेट इज 29 September and this examination will be conducted in Gupta itself. What are the regards for this examination? Though there are exact details not there in the brochure, but I can give you an idea. There will be a monthly scholarship which will vary from 2,000 to 3,000 rupees per month, as well as one-time grant. Every year one-time grant that can vary from 75,000 to 1,25,000 rupees. So it's a huge scholarship. I think this examination is going to replace other examination, NPSC like examination, and the syllabus will be asked from the previous class. So if you are a class 9 student, you will be asked the syllabus of class 8. If you are a class 11 student, you will be asked the syllabus of class 8. What will be the paper pattern? That's going to be another important. Paper pattern, there are going to be 100 questions, 100 marks, no negative marking, 2.5 hours examination, multiple choice examination. Breakup, mathematics 30 questions, 30 marks. Science 25 questions, 25 marks. Social science 25 questions, 25 marks. And GK and current affairs 20 questions, 20 marks. That's paper pattern.